Hi and welcome back. This video is a part of the new release from Trinity stamps called Crafty Hugs. In this video we're going to take a closer look at the Heartburst. This is a 6x6 laser cut 2-piece stencil set. In this stencil set you have two different stencils that comes with a heart ray pattern. Use them together or separately. Our layered stencils are etched with their partner stencil design to make it effortless to you to line up your stencil just right. Use them with glitter or stencil paste. Trace them with a pencil lightly and watercolor or ink blend through the stencil with our blending body brushes. The possibilities are endless with our stencils. As you can see, these stencils are really easy to line up just right, so you can go in with your second color or layered with some texture paste or whatever other medium you desire to use. Here comes some more inspiration from the design team, and if you want even more inspiration on how to use our products, you can also visit our blog, Instagram, Facebook, and of course visit more videos here at our YouTube channel. Bye!